Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'll show you a helpful tool that will assist with your mechanical or detailing needs. Now this is a torn pneumatic mechanical stool with adjustable height and tool trays that is a must-have for any do-it-yourselfer. This one's from Costco and it sells for $49.99 at the time of this video. However, the same brand is available on Amazon. Any amount of work that will put you on your knees or in a crouching position will likely be suitable and more comfortable on this mechanic stool. And this large base makes it comfortable to use. The swivel casters make for easy movement on a smooth floor. And more importantly, on an aggregate surface like this driveway. The seat is adjustable from 15 3/4 to 21 1/4 of an inch. Weight capacity is 300 pounds, and there is a version that comes with a cushion seat versus the molded plastic like this one. It also has removable trays that can hold small items or tools. There you have it, a simple tool to make your mechanical fixes or detailing experience just a bit more enjoyable. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.